Hello everybody, I'm CuteCami and today I will present you an excellent strategy for binary options trading. This strategy is suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. With her help, I significantly increased my balance in a few minutes. If you want to know how to repeat my success, so stay with me. By the way, if you are looking for information about trading for beginners and not only, then you should contact me in this Telegram channel. Trading bonuses, working strategies and signals and much more are waiting for you in my channel. See you there. Friends, today I will present you a super strategy that will help you significantly increase your balance. This strategy is as simple and profitable as possible. It is based on two indicators, the moving average and Williams percent error. It is very simple to analyze the graph with their help. If the yellow line goes in the same direction with the blue one, for example, both are up, this is a signal for an increase. If they go in opposite direction, for example, one up, the other down, this is a downside signal. It is also important to know that if the Williams percent error blue line rises above the minus 50 value and continues to move up, this also signals a possible price increase. To make it easier to understand how it works, I will give an example demonstration and explain each step in detail. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart and set time frames for 30 minutes. Then turn on two indicators, moving average and Williams percent error. We can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the CHF GPY currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now, let's move on to transactions. I immediately opened the first trade for an increase with the amount of $85. As I see the beginning of an uptrend and the indicator line has risen above the minus 50 mark. And here is the first transaction completed and my balance grows to $163. Wow, that's really cool. So let's move on. The second deal will be for the entire balance. I look at the chart and open a deal to increase. As I see that the indicator line crosses the upper values and moves rapidly upwards. I'm often asked, where do I trade? Friends, I trade on pocket option. Here, every transaction is a guarantee of a clean and safe profit. There is a quick withdrawal of funds, a transport operation and high income. I fully trust this platform and I'm ready to share it with you. Join my Telegram channel to keep up to date with the latest trading news and strategies, as well as receive bonuses. Yes, another successful deal in the piggy bank. That's really great, but I don't stop and I go on. I'm opening a deal for rice at $283. After all, the chart shows the confident emergence of an uptrend. The indicator line rises to the upper values. These are the signals for an increase. So the transaction was completed as successfully as the previous ones. My balance is $573. This is a big and fast result, guys. To repeat my financial success, an effective strategy and understanding of its implementation are needed. Please like and expect new videos on my channel, where I will share additional tips and techniques. Before saying goodbye, I want to remind you about my free Telegram channel, where I share secret strategies for making money on binary options. Bonuses and useful trading tips are waiting for you, and all this is absolutely free for my subscribers. Don't miss your chance to earn money. Follow the link in the description and join us. We're waiting for you. Bye bye.